Hi viewers, welcome to Texas Technologies. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is how to write input type weak. What we discuss on today? How to write input type weak using HTML5. I will explain with the example like coding also. Before going to coding, I will say one thing. Texas Technologies provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tools for the Texas Technologies. So, guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon, also you can click it notifications to our Gmail. Okay, guys, I'm going to topic what we discuss on today: how to write input type weak using HTML5. This is the basic HTML structure we all of you know. Here I am right H1. It can pop up when you enter the input field. This is the input field. Suppose my birthday is November year 1991. 1991 November 22nd. This is the 47th week. 1991 May 1991 1991 47th week. This is the my birthday. So guys, this is the process to select the week. Here I am right. Input type week. Name. Selectable week. Input type equal to submit, value equal to submit. Once we check the output week, yeah, this is the output. Next, I will write the small CSS for this and create a new file. CSS wk.css. margin 0, heading 0, body, background color blue, color white, font size sans serif, font size 18 pixel, h1 extra line center, padding 20 pixel, border bottom 5 pixel, dashed white. Okay, so check the output. I'm not call the css file in html file. Here I am call the css file, link relation, style sheet, href from css folder, .css, import to test css. Okay, also you can check the output. %, margin not wrong, margin drop 100 pixel, border px dotted white. Okay, once we check the output, this is the output, adding 20 pixel. Yeah, okay guys, this is the process to write the weak input field. Here we can select a weak, here we can select up. Okay, another way you can select what is unpick. So guys, this is the process to write the weak input field. I hope we all understand how to write input type weak using HTML5. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing. Texas Technologies provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMA. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tutorials provide the Texas Technologies. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon on second, I click notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.